Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I want to show you guys how I drafted this Queen Anne's neckline with Princess That bustier. Okay, so watch and enjoy. Thank you. So this is a basic body is already drafted to the half length. Okay, this is not full length, this is half length. So we are going to alter it. All right, we're going to alter it. So from the shoulder, divide the shoulder into two, and then you mark it. Then you mark a straight line from the shoulder to the bust point. After that, you slash the line towards the bust point and stop. Then you separate the back and the front so that you will alter it easily. So after that, you close your bust dart so that you'll be able to open the shoulder dart. So after doing that, you measure the shoulder dart, the space between the shoulder darts. So after measuring the space between the shoulder darts, you divide it by 4. Anything it gives you, you enter the 1/4 to the shoulder, the way I'm showing you right now. So you enter the 1/4 to the shoulder and then connect a straight line to the bust point again. After that, you put the 1/4 again to the armhole and connect it. Redraw the armhole by 1/4, the same 1/4 we are taking from the shoulder line. So you cut through the bust dart so that we can close the shoulder dart. So you close the shoulder dart like so, and then you use your sellotape to hold it. So reconnect your shoulder measurement to the new armhole. So from the shoulder, you go down by 4 inches and then draw your armhole princess dart. I'm using a straight line here so that it will not be too curvy. And then you go down by 1.5 inches and connect it back to your bust point. So after that, you tighten your underbust measurement. I'm using 1 inch at the side front and then 1/2 inch at the center front, and then you connect the curve like so. Connect the dart leg to the half length, okay, to the dart leg on the half length, and then you finish up. Use the curve ruler to also finish up your princess dart like so. So for the Queen Anne neckline, you come down by 4 inch or 5, depending on how you want it to be exposed. Okay, and then from the armhole, you go in by 2 inches or 1, depending on how you want it, and then use your ruler. I'm using the curved part. Okay, I'm placing it like this on the shoulder, connect it to that 2 inches. So from the neckline, you come down by 3 inches and then you kind of curve it like a princess neckline. All right, you can use your ruler to do this, but I'm using my hand to do my own. So you cut through the dart so that you'll be able to fold your bust dart. Cut through the dart to fold your bust dart. So after that, you can redraw your curve, your cup part. So I'm cutting out my pattern now. We are almost done. So we'll now cut out our Queen Anne's neckline. Remember, what we did in the shoulder has tightened the shoulder part. All right, so there's no need of tightening it again, but you can still tighten on. So this is what it looks like after cutting it out. It's fine, right? So we are going to alter the back. What we'll just do is connect a straight line from the armhole. You come down by 4 inches, connect a straight line to the armhole, and then tighten it by 0.5 or 1 inch. So I'm just cutting out the excesses. All right, that's what I'm doing so that I'll be able to cut through the dart. So after that, you cut through the dart so that you'll be able to eliminate the dart in between. So this is what we have. All right. So this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.